Today I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar using Vidnoz AI. With this AI tool, you can generate realistic avatars that speak naturally, business content all without showing your face. By using a talking avatar, you can earn thousands of dollars and increase your video views. Stay with me as I walk you through the process and show you how you can do the same. Now I'm going to generate a prompt to create a high-quality talking avatar picture. We'll be making a clone avatar. Stay tuned as I walk you through the process of creating this realistic, lifelike avatar. Now we will use Leonardo AI to generate a high-quality picture for this avatar. A well-crafted prompt will help us get the best result. Once the image is generated, we'll select the most suitable one for creating the AI talking avatar. Stay tuned as I guide you through the steps. Now we will head over to vidnoz.com to generate our talking avatar. Once we're on the site, we'll click on the Create Photo Avatar option. This will allow us to upload the image we've created earlier. After uploading, we'll choose the settings that best match our desired talking avatar style. We can adjust features like voice, expressions, and movements to make sure it looks just the way we want. Once everything is set, we'll click to generate the avatar. Finally, we'll take a look at the results to see our talking avatar in action. It's as simple as that, and the best part is that you can create as many avatars as you like. Stay tuned as we walk through each step to make this process seamless and effective.
Welcome to Vidnoz. Get started by typing your script and generating your video.